Hi guys. So we bought some. We think everything is vegan. We check them, but okay, we're doing our best. Some things to try, and I'm gonna try them with you. Okay. The first one is this one.
It doesn't look that bad,
For me,
and
I
it
think
doesn't look good.
it smells so artificial.
Yeah. It's melting in my hand.
Yum yum.
Yes, PB&J.
Make a wish.
Wala.
The grape is not that good.
You know what? It's not that bad.
Okay. Next.
Fruit roll-ups.
This is so exciting to try.
Tongue
Do you see?
cutters.
Do you know? I have seen people to take it to open it and put like ice cream inside, like
Yeah,
mango,
they
and they
froze
eat.
it.
Yeah, we need to do it.
Yeah. Ah, yeah. Me too.
No, let's share it. So, Nico, let's share
Sharing
it.
is caring.
Sharing is
I want the
caring.
type 2. The type. The ta. So many wrappers.
Yeah.
Why? No.
It's so sticky. Nico, Ella, take it like that. Take it. Make a wish.
Let's go.
It smells.
No.
But I want to try it with mango. No, with that.
Yeah.
Another one.
Yeah.
Solar melon.
And mystery flavor. I bet it's grape.
Grape and melon.
I-
Oh, it's green. I love it that it's green.
I was there.
I thought it would be half and half together.
No.
Come
It's
on.
not that advanced. Let's go.
Make a wish.